Prophecy can only be fully understood in the light of their fulfillment by those who obey. When the prophet speaks, it is important instructions are carried out without hesitation. It all happened on a Sunday service, 19th August 2018, with the Restoration Apostle Johnson Suleman at the International Worship Center in Auchi, Edo State, as revealed to him by God that everyone should be on a 2-day compulsory fast, specifically Tuesday 21st and Wednesday 22nd August 2018, in order to stop the agenda of hell concerning the nation Nigeria. Watch.
When I give instruction, it may not be sensible. Amen. Tuesday, Wednesday, everybody fast. Tuesday, Wednesday. When I give instruction, it may not be sensible, but it is spiritual. Pray for yourself and the whole Nigeria. Actually, it will start on Tuesday, enter Wednesday, full manifestation Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You see it. Tuesday, Wednesday, we fast to arrest Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You will read it on paper.
It was reported that a Russian-registered cargo ship from Madagascar, allegedly carrying illegal weapons loaded in 20 containers to Lagos, Nigeria, was detained in South Africa. The vessel, said to have left Madagascar with dangerous cargoes, explosives and weapons on board, was stopped near Port Elizabeth in South Africa's Eastern Cape Province.
Welcome back. A Russian-registered cargo ship allegedly carrying illegal weapons and explosives en route to Lagos, Nigeria, has been detained by security operatives in South Africa. According to the South African police, the vessel, named Ladder, was seized following security checks after stopping at the eastern city of Port Elizabeth on its way from Madagascar. The police told the APF that the checks and seizure followed a tip-off by an anonymous individual, adding that the weapons and explosives, which were loaded in 20 containers, are worth $3.5 million.
This is a confirmation of what was about to befall the nation as revealed to him by God. And so we must turn to the pages of spiritual sensitivity and be security conscious in order that we may be delivered from inexcusable ignorance.